So my students just came back from printing out these beautiful pieces, and they are so lovely. This one printed something of it's actually called DTF printing. That's direct to fabric. We do a lot of Ankara artwork, but this is purely DTF. Mama Africa Designs. You can actually print anything you want to print. You download the image, you remove the background using remove.bg, and when you're done removing the background, you print it in the print at the printing press. So when you're done printing, you pick up your choice design, place it on your fabric at the exact location you want to place it. Once you've placed it and you're sure you like where it is, you cover it with paper. It's like a nylon, so it's not something that you'd say, okay, it's not something you say you decide you can iron directly on. So we're going to take our preheated iron and iron directly on the paper. So you just spread it out evenly, don't do the pat squeeze that I did here, because that too has consequences. Just spread it out evenly. You transfer the heat. It's more like a heat transfer stuff. So they usually have this heat transfer machine at the offices where they do the DTF printing. So sometimes they'll ask you if you want them to help you attach it directly on the fabric, and if you do, they'll do it for you at no extra charge. That's in some print houses, but in some others they're usually very busy and they will not be able to do it for you, so you just go home and do it by yourself. So after attaching it, I realized that there were still gaps on some of the edges, and I didn't want it to start peeling from those edges. So I had to spread out those edges, make them even. You see how I'm doing my ironing now? You just need your iron So I had to start peeling gradually. You have to be very gradual and intentional about your peeling out process. And when you're done with your peeling out, okay, I had to stick some parts because they seem to still be on the nylon, so I had to still stick them back with iron. So after you're done with the sticking, you go ahead and start dragging out the DTF nylon gradually. So if you're watching this video and you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Eberechi Igwe Ubona from Eric's Academy of Fashion. You can register for my full online course on Ankara art design to learn how to make more permanent designs with Ankara artwork. So this is usually a very gradual process for me. I don't know about some others. Some people might be a little bit faster with this, but because of experience, I don't like to have places where there are gaps. So I don't like to have places where there are gaps. So I just go ahead and re-iron. I don't want my stickers to peel out. And then I drag it gradually until finally it comes off. Guys, we're almost done. We're gradually coming to the end of this video. Watch it, wait for it, and here we go. And this is just how beautiful it looks. If you don't get any of your images, you can get your inspiration from Pinterest.com. Download the Pinterest app. You download the image of your choice, and you remove the background using remove.bg. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.